Everybody, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how we can, access our host machine IP into the virtual machine. So if you see, this is my VM. I am running Ubuntu, and this CMD is on my host machine. Okay, so let's check the IP of this machine. Okay, so you can see this is my IP, and if I copy this one right now and go to the virtual machine, and if I say ping, so I cannot ping, right? So for that, what we need to do, we need to enable rule in the firewall. So for that, what you need to do, you can open the control panel. You go here and then click on security, click on this firewall, and then you will see a advanced setting over here. Click on it and you will see a screen like that, and you have to click on the inbound, right? And then once you click on it, you need to click on this new rule. You can click from here or on the right side also, both are same. Okay, once you select that, you can click on this one and say program, you say custom. I'm just showing you one way. There are many possible settings you can do based on your requirement. Okay, so you say custom. I'll say all program for now, and then you can say any port stuff like that. No need to change anything. Otherwise, if you want to enable a specific one, then you can make the changes over here. Later also you can do that. It's not a big deal. Now this is very important. So you want your machine to be accessible by any from any IP. I mean, like only virtual machine IP or any machine. So I'll say only my virtual machine. Okay, so let me put the IP of that virtual machine. So right now I'll say cancel because I don't know the IP. Let's go back to the Linux terminal. I will say host name -i, and that's how I'll get the IP. Let me copy this one, and I'll say add again, and then put this IP over here and say okay. Once you are done, you can say next. No need to change anything. Simply say yes, and here you can say host machine 2 virtual machine VMware, you can say, and I'll say finish. Once this is done, now if you go back, see now it's working. All right, now stop this one, and if you want to double check, you just search for host. It's now we turned it. All right, this one I can say disable, so it's disabled now. Again stop. All right, so that's how you can access your host machine, or you can say parent machine IP into your virtual machine. All right, that's pretty much from this video. Thank you very much.